Hey Matt, let me just show you what I'm seeing on my phone. So I just loaded the app. This is the same one that you've got loaded on your tablet. This is Springville. I've left all the layers on. I'm zooming into these features in the mountains just up here. In fact, I think I run down that canyon when I go there for a half marathon. Anyway, those features up in the mountains, what I'm going to do is hit the attributes editor so we get that shimmy thing that I told you about. I'm now going to hit one of those features and hang on, let me try. There we go. So it's going to be better on your tablet, but that's what I'm seeing. So latest is the first layer that comes up, but if you move down, and this isn't the best way of presenting this data, I've got to confess to you, but this again is a quick way of doing it. There's lots of much better ways we can present it, but basically it's showing each of those layers that make up that endpoint. I'll tell you about that later on, but if you look at that, we've got sub-watershed labels, and you can see a bunch of stuff there. Keep going down, you've got another one here, south, what's that, sub-watersheds. Keep going down, there's another one, state boundaries, which is obviously the layer beneath that. And then we got anything else? We've got another one here, subwatersheds underscore label. So there's a whole load of things within that attributes query that we've done, and I can explain that to you and make it more clear to you, but basically it's done a query for everything that sits at that point, and just coincidentally latest is the first one that appears, and I don't know why that would be, but there's a whole slew of them underneath. So in the demo you can show people what's there and kind of gloss over the first one if you like, and I would say choose one of them. We want to change the object ID, bump, and then change it to 234, done, and then we got 234 just there. So that's that one. Let's just close that out. So what should happen when you close the info window is that should, we were saying that's still active. If we close this, I've just changed it anyway, close that. See what happens here. That's no longer active, so we should be in an inactive state. Let's go back to street. So that should get rid of that. And if you're not seeing that, I'll have to understand why, because I'm using the same version of this app as you're using. So I hope that clears up that piece. Let me know if you're not seeing that same flow that I just described to you there. Okay, I think that's what I was going to show you. Yeah, okay, good one. Cheers.